again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at BF Designs. I did this one the other day. I don't really know a lot about alcohol inks, so I'm just basically trying what different techniques. And I wanted to take this to the next level with some detail on it. So I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me see. Focus. Well, I've got a little raven painted on there, and I got some shapes of water drops. And I'm going to try to do some painting on it. I guess first I'm going to do some of the black. And I'm going to use my Spectrum Noir black ink. I keep it in the box so that way the glass bottle don't break. I'm trying to remember if I should shake. Well, I'll give it a rolling shake. And I've got a little palette over here, and I got a couple of skinny brushes somewhere. Okay, what happened to my skinny brushes? I think these are it. Well, I found one. This is a very, very skinny brush. Here, let me put it underneath my hand, or over my hand, so you can see it. And basically, I am just going, I hate how these bottles become so hard to open once you get your gloves on. I'm going to use basically alcohol with this, but I'm going to use some 91% so it don't dry as fast. Okay. Now, it comes with one of these, and I'm just going to put a few drops in a well. Well, I'll put a little bit more, because that doesn't go back in the bottle. Basically, I put the cap on it. And I might, hopefully I don't take it off camera, I might be turning it a little bit. Oh, got to get some alcohol in there too, just a couple drops. I always have some in a cup, and I use a pipette because that's easier to control. 1, 2, 3, 4. The lines are hard for me to see. Well, I can tilt my head a little bit, but sometimes I might have to pick it up and tilt it, this way or that way to see the lines I have drawn, because I can't paint freehand. So I'm just tipping my brush into there. You don't want to do it with a whole lot on there. This will be a little bit easier for me to paint the outline if I hold it up. And I do have a picture of it in front of me for the shape. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm going to speed up parts of it because this can be very, very slow going. So I will put some music on while I'm speeding it up. And when I switch to something else, I will slow it down and tell you what I'm doing. So enjoy the music. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you do. Make a comment if you think I could have done it a little bit better. Okay, because I'm always open to improvement. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And then when you subscribe, hit the little bell for the notifications. I love the fluid arts right out of you guys. Y'all are awesome. Okay, my whole DFD squad is what I call my viewers. You're my DFD squad. So all I can say is bye for now.